Hey there, farmers! Are you ready to dive into the essentials of profitable cattle farming? Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your current operation, I've got some valuable tips that can help you succeed. First off, let's talk about choosing the right breed. Determine the purpose of your cattle farm, whether it's for beef, dairy, or both. It's crucial to select breeds that are well suited to your local climate and conditions. And don't forget to consider market demand. Opt for breeds that are in demand in your area to maximize profitability. Next up, housing and infrastructure. Providing adequate shelter is vital to protect your cattle from extreme weather conditions. Strong and secure fencing is a must to keep your cattle contained and safe from predators. And remember, a clean and reliable water supply is essential. Cattle need a lot of water, especially in hot climates. Now let's move on to nutrition and feeding. A balanced diet is key. Make sure your cattle get enough forage like grass and hay, along with supplementary feeds such as grains and minerals. Quality feed is essential to prevent health issues. And don't overlook grazing management. Rotate pastures to prevent overgrazing and promote healthy regrowth. Health management is another critical area. Establish a relationship with a local veterinarian for regular checkups and emergencies. Keeping up with vaccinations and deworming schedules is crucial to maintain a healthy herd. Also, implement biosecurity measures to prevent disease outbreaks. Breeding management is next on our list. Monitor the reproductive health of your cattle to ensure successful breeding. Detailed record keeping is vital. Track breeding, births and health treatments to maintain a productive herd. Speaking of record keeping, it's essential to maintain accurate financial and operational records. This helps with budgeting and profitability analysis. Keep detailed records of feed usage, veterinary treatments, and other operational activities to stay organized. Finally, let's talk about marketing and sales. Conduct market research to understand the demand and pricing for beef or dairy products in your area. Explore different sales channels such as local markets, direct-to-consumer sales, and cooperatives to expand your reach. Remember, successful cattle farming requires dedication and attention to detail. By following these tips, you can set yourself up for a rewarding and profitable venture. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more farming tips and tricks. And share this video with fellow farmers who could benefit from these insights. Until next time, happy farming.